Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lazy Housewife. Today I'm going to be doing a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. If you are new to my channel, I do have 3 kids, a 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 1-year-old. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get right into the video. It is about 9:30 a.m. right now, and my oldest is currently at school. My husband doesn't leave for work till about noon, so he's downstairs right now cooking breakfast with the kids. And then, well, I obviously did my makeup and just did something with my hair and got dressed for the day. So yeah, I'll go ahead and just take you guys with me. So this is what my husband made for breakfast. This is what he makes almost every single day unless I cook, the kids have cereal or something like that. But this is what we will have on a normal day. Almost done. Just some little things here and there. And then the floors, my husband, he always does the floors because I hate doing the floors, so he'll usually sweep. It'll be throughout the day. Hey Joshua. But next, before I do the floors though, I gotta do this room. Oh, you falling asleep? He's just relaxing. My husband's getting ready for work now. They were watching TV earlier so I can get some cleaning done. guys, so I'm all done with the cleaning downstairs. I'll just show you guys real fast. Here's Josh. So yeah, I got this vacuum, got the toys picked up, and then the kitchen is pretty clean other than the floors. I didn't do the floors, so I'll probably do that tonight. Yeah. I'm so excited. No. Okay, so what, 2 days ago I got my daughter the Boxcar Children book. I want her to start reading this because I'm sure if you guys were born in the 90s or whatever, you guys have probably read this. I used to love this when I was little, so I thought she would really enjoy this. Kind of like a big kid book she was needing. And then, so I also got, so excited. So this is the She Reads Truth brand. Here. She Reads Truth. So this is a Bible that I got for my sister. And then I also got one because I was just obsessed with it. So let me just open it up and show you guys real fast. I love it. Look at that. Show you guys. So yeah, it has like a slip cover like this. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, it is my sister-in-law's sweet 16 this weekend, and I just felt like it was really on my heart to get her a kind of like a young woman's Bible. And I also wanted to get one for myself, so I was kind of on the lookout for one for me and one for her as well. So I went to Barnes & Noble's to go ahead and check out some of the Bibles that they had there and probably pick one up. But the prices were really high. They're like $50 and $60 for the ones that I was really liking. And so I ended up just like right away going on Amazon, of course, and I found it for half the price. I really liked it. What caught my eye is it has like a linen on it, is what they call. So yeah, it just slides out like this. And then I was thinking of just doing like a mini, a very short mini version of just kind of like opening it up and showing it. So I don't know if I'll show you guys. I might just cut it out and just make another video. So I got the green linen, and then for my sister-in-law, I got her, it's the poppy color. So yeah, just getting into a little bit more of a personal level. My husband and I have been really into the Word lately, and kind of just making sure that we're praying a lot and just trying to be on a good walk spiritually right now. My husband and I met in youth group when we were like 14 and 15. That's how we met. And so his parents were kind of like leading it a little bit, and then my parents also, when we started going to the church, they started, both of our parents were leading the youth group together. And so that's kind of how we got together. So we both grew up in Christian homes, and I really think that has, that's played a huge part in our marriage. I do want to do like a separate video where we just, where I'm able to talk about this a little bit more, but I just want to touch on it just a little bit, just so you guys can get kind of a backstory if you're wondering why I'm getting a Bible or anything like that. This past year, we kind of felt like we haven't been praying like we would like to or normally do. And I'm so sorry, you guys. I already know this section is going to be totally choppy. Because I'm trying to find the right words, how to kind of say it. So yeah, bear with me on this part, guys. But yeah, we could just tell this past year we haven't been praying as much as we like, or just like in the Word like we should be. And I feel like we've kind of just not steered away, but kind of we could totally feel it in our lives right now. And so we just have been wanting to really draw close to God right now. So that is what we're doing right now. I don't even know if I'll add this on the video or not, or I might just cut it out. But yeah, if you guys are following me, then I just want to be able to share this stuff with you guys. So yeah, I'm really excited to have this and you know, get into it. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in seeing that type of video, maybe like a Q&A or something with my husband and I. And just so you guys can get to hear a little bit more of our backstory, because us being in a relationship, especially like under the church, and obviously our parents were the youth leaders, was just really hard. Because obviously being in a relationship when your parents are like the youth pastors and just the whole church is just watching you guys, it was really hard, you know, for us as a couple. And just there was just like a lot of input from the church and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in just kind of hearing our experience or what it was like, let me know in the comments. But on another note, I did call Ulta a little bit ago to see if they had the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and they didn't have it. They said maybe try calling back Sunday, they might get it, so I'm probably gonna do that. I don't even know if I'm gonna go to Ulta still or not to get the Morph palette for my sister-in-law. I might do it in the morning. So yeah, I'll probably start picking up just a few things that are around the house right now, because I don't think I'm gonna go to Ulta today because my son fell asleep on the couch right now. So I'll probably just pick up some of the little things that are around the house, maybe do a couple loads of laundry, and then go ahead and start dinner in a little bit.